Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie, and today we are doing a college productive night routine. Huge thank you to Canon for sponsoring this video. If you're new here, my name's Melanie. I go to Pepperdine and I've been posting a lot of college content, so make sure to tap the subscribe button and follow me on my other socials, which will be linked down below, of course, to stay updated. I also post fashion stuff and I don't know, just random things, pretty sunsets, food. So but other than that, let's get straight into the night routine.
So long silent movies, quiet dances on the screen.
Hey friends. So first off, of course, I'm gonna be showing you an outfit, or like what, not an outfit, but like what I wore today. This is the third video I've announced it. I've still yet to fix it. I'm, oh my gosh, currently looking for a place to put my camera because I wanna show you my outfit. I broke my tripod, but this is what I wore today. It's actually really hot in Malibu for absolutely no reason at all. It was actually like 80 something degrees. It's supposed to hit like 90 and it's literally, what is it, November? Like what is my Seattle self not used to this. So it's so hot that I'm wearing a little one shoulder thing. I actually had to sew this because it was like sagging everywhere before. Jewelry, this Shop Olive Lynn, this one Layered by Lola. This one was from a cute little farmer's market in San Diego. Rings, I don't know, they're from everywhere. These ones I always like, pretty much always wear. Nails, not looking cute. I need to fix them. Shorts, they're like thrifted or something. And then I was wearing Birks and like a little throw over. Right now, I just got back from my day. If you want to see what I do in a day here, I have a bunch of videos on that, like week in the lives, day in the life. But long story short, I want to like not redecorate, but put some stuff back up in my room because hopefully they don't see this, but I had to take some stuff down because they were checking our dorms. So I have to like re-put that up. But also I got a new fun little item that I'm so excited to use because I want to spruce up my room a little more because, you know, there's always more you can do. And I've been taking a lot of cute photos since I've been here because, I mean, campus is beautiful. So, of course, I want to add that to my dorm. So this is the item we have been talking about. It is the Canon Ivy. It's a mini photo printer. And this is honestly probably the go-to Christmas gift. It's actually so awesome and it's great for college students. I am telling you because, I mean, you'll see.
Alright guys, as you can see by the ratio from my hands to this thing, it is tiny, which means it's so compact and convenient not only to bring around with you wherever you go and want to print photos, but it's also great for me as a college student because I was able to just like pack it up, bring it to college, and it takes up barely any room in my desk drawer, which is so nice. This Canon Ivy print is perfect for customizing photos and amazing for room decor, which you guys all know by the amount of times I redecorate my room. I absolutely love doing that. The Canon app that comes with this printer that you use to print the photos also makes it super easy to customize your photos. You can add stickers, frames, text, and emojis, as you can see.
Hey, that's so cute. Look how mini it is. I also gave, that just came in the package, and you can just like, because these are sticker paper, you can just stick it on and it's like a little border. So I actually might do that for some of them.
I had so much fun playing around with. You can also draw on it and add your own doodles and sketches, which I love too.
These prints are really cool. They print instantly on 2x3 zinc photo paper and are sticky backed, so no need to have glue or anything.
Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. I'm about to like put stuff back up on my walls because they're so bare and depressing right now. You'll see it in a second, but like look, I printed this. It's so cute of my friend and I made her a little card, so I'm gonna like stick this onto it. Guys, you know what today is? You probably don't know what today is because I'm uploading this on a different day. Oh, guys, I got so worried that this wasn't the sticky back paper. But it is. We're good. Okay, so it makes it so easy that it's sticky back like this to decorate literally anything. I think it's especially good for like Christmas birthday card, but also for like room decoration. So this is the Peel and Stick zinc photo paper. It's 2 by 3 inches and the photos are smudge proof and they're even like water resistant, which is awesome. And the sticky back just makes it so easy. That way I don't have to like grab a glue stick or anything or double stick tape. So much easier. I also made these 2 photos that I'm gonna put up in my room somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them yet, but I love like, I'm really tempted to stick them over on my microwave. I don't think I'm actually allowed to do that because it's not really my microwave, but I'm really tempted to. They're so adorable. Also, these would look awesome like on a phone case. My phone case didn't already have 10 billion stickers on it. But let's like fix my room up a little and then I'll figure out where to put these stickers. You can see how bare my walls look right now, and it looks so funny too because you can see my command strips up. We're gonna ignore that. It's gonna look better soon. Okay guys, so this is a bit embarrassing, but like under my bed, also can you tell my bed's high? Like I literally have to jump onto it. But that makes for a bunch of like storage underneath here. Under here, we have a little stuff. A lot of stuff actually that needs to go back up on my wall. So we got that. There's a lot of room under here, guys. A lot, okay. Keep some hot chocolate. Keep a towel. My paint stuff is down here. I have this really cute mirror. Even though I don't use it when it's up on my wall, it was very lonely up there without it. Oh, I have this. This came with me from home. I made it and it was in my old room and I miss it being up. I already put the lights up. I was kind of like not having lights in my room is like killing the vibe. Okay, we're gonna start with the smallest thing right now. This is actually really, really satisfying. Wait, listen to this. Wait, did you hear that? You hear that one? Thank goodness for command strips actually, because if I didn't have them, I'd be screwed, like actually screwed. Also, I like to keep little necklaces on there. So, watch this. They were so crammed on my necklace holder. Look at that. I'll put this one here too. I'm indecisive, guys. Beautiful. Ooh, maybe I'll put my photo over here. That might be cute. Okay, now I think we should do, which one should we do? Do the mirror. This one, little risky, guys. I did it kind of in a sketchy way. Oh, not gonna lie. Do you think it's okay? Oh, nice. 2 more. This is really embarrassing, but the first time I put this up, it was so crooked and my friend had to come all the way from Cal Poly to fix it. Not actually, she was just here and she fixed it. That was a slight exaggeration on my part. Is this straight? 3, 2, 1. Maybe I have to whack it.
Gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again. No. No. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again. No. No. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again. No.
Hello, welcome to my dorm bathroom. Oh, perfect. Guys, this is what you're sitting on right now. Paper towel, rocks. Lovely. First things first, we gotta take off this stack of jewelry that I'm wearing and I always wear. However, I've gotten lazy to the point where I like don't take off earrings anymore because that would actually take forever. While I do this, I like to prepare what music I'm gonna bop out to in the shower. Last one. I'm gonna take off my makeup. I got this fake micellar water. Also, is it micellar? Micellar. I always said micellar. It's micellar, right? To remove my makeup, but this is like an off-brand one because I don't know, everything's expensive in Malibu. This was like freaking $8 at CVS when I swear the Garnier one is usually $5 and this like doesn't really work. But nonetheless, I'm taking my makeup off. And while I do that, basically, let's do a little recap of the day. So this is my shower thoughts, my little reflection. Basically, today, quite a fabulous day. I had 3 classes. I didn't skip any of them. I realize now I only film, not only, but I somehow usually end up filming on days that I have my French, Hume, and religion class because that's what I had today. Studied for a little, went to the beach, I baked banana bread, I listened to Taylor Swift's new album. So you know what? Good day. Do you see how this is like not working? I did, however, stay up till 2 a.m. doing accounting homework, which wasn't very fun or productive. So that was kind of a bummer, but like also my skin has not been having it in Malibu. Don't know what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna hop in the shower.
I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again, no.
Oh my gosh, I have a towel on, I swear, nice to see you guys again. Popped out of the shower, letting you guys know I'm that bee who like doesn't wash her hair. I like train my hair so I only wash it like a couple times a week. I'm also that bee who uses like 2 skincare products because, you know,
I ain't ever gonna talk again.
I might actually have to change that though. Why do I look so pale right now? Because, I don't know. I used to keep my skincare very, very minimum at home and it worked for me. But as I said right before I hopped in the shower, it hasn't been going super swell here. You guys saw my whole like transition to college. I really didn't like pack too much like skincare anything with me because I wanted to keep it really simple. Oversized t-shirt.
No, I ain't ever gonna talk again.
So that was pretty much it for my night routine, and now I'm gonna knock out and go to sleep. Where is my night mask? Where is it? On the floor. Got my night mask. Thanks for coming along with me. I'm gonna sleep and get my beauty rest, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing my productive-ish night routine in college. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and huge thank you to Canon for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out the links below if you want to check out the Canon Ivy print. I think it is an awesome thing to bring with you to college and also an awesome gift because Christmas season is coming up. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Bruh. Awesome before.